Hi guys, let me take you through how you can do this design using your Mira gel and blooming gel. So first, you'll have your background product. Maybe you're using tips or you're using gum gel or acrylic or any product of your choice, because some use gum gel and the rest. So first thing, you'll have to shape your product. It can be the tips, can be acrylic. Like I've said, product of your choice. Some of you actually do gel X as well, so you can choose whichever product. So I'm doing some alignment on my product. This was gum gel. Then you'll buff your product properly like this, corner to corner, and also the nail surface. And you make sure you remove any inconsistency on the side, because those might affect your end result. And after that, you will spray your nails with alcohol, or you can use surgical spirit. Then you trim your cuticles neatly like this, so that they won't interfere with your application process. Okay, so this is how it's done, and you can see, and you make sure you trim them carefully. This kind of trimmer can cause injury, so you have to be very careful. And the reason why we sprayed that spirit or alcohol is to soften the cuticle a little bit, so that you can trim them off. Because if you dip them in water, water doesn't go well with gel polish, hence will cause chipping, or your gel might not adhere properly on the nail surface. Okay, so you have to spray with alcohol or surgical spirit or any alcohol based product except monomer. But this is how it's done. Then you will do your background. This is a black background, so that when you do a blooming gel, we have that reflection and that visibility of the white that we are going to use. So you must have a black background, though there are some blacks that when you face it to top coat, it will turn blue, but in this case it doesn't matter, because you are going to do a blooming gel on top. So in this case I'm doing a blooming gel, and remember to use a blooming gel that blooms faster. Some blooming gel are very dry, that after even applying the rose pattern like I'm doing on this video, they will not bloom. They will be just there stagnant, and they won't move. So make sure while purchasing a blooming gel, make sure it reacts perfectly with your gel polish. And blooming gel works good with gel, but not the gel paste. There is a difference between gel and gel paste. Gel paste is a little bit thick, and it cannot bloom so easily. So you have to use a very good blooming gel. Another thing that you need to consider, there are some gel, especially white, that are usually running. So you must use a standard one that doesn't run very fast, because if you use a powerful blooming gel and you do that, you will run. So after that, you will apply your Mira gel. You can choose any color of your choice. It can be blue Mira gel, it can be green, but as long as the pattern is popping like this, you will be good to go. So you will do that on all the nails. And remember, if you are a slow person, apply each finger at a time as you cure, so that you don't have overlaps on the side walls, ledges on the cuticle region. Sawa. So this is the end result. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you love what we do. We appreciate you so much, and make sure you show some love by liking the video. Peace.